Welcome to my 2025 Godot Beginners Guide. If you're excited about creating your first game but don't know where to start, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to take you through the basics of Godot. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what Godot is. Godot is a powerful game engine that supports 2D and 3D game development. Its lightweight design and intuitive interface make it an excellent choice for newcomers to game development. You can create games for PC, mobile, web, and even consoles with Godot. And it's completely free and open source. That basically gives users power to do whatever they want with Godot. You can change it and make your own amendments to it. It being open source also means that the source code is available for anybody to see and edit. It relies on a node-based system. Every element of your game will be a node. These nodes can be combined into hierarchies, known as trees. If a node is added below another node, it becomes a child node. The first node in your scene is known as the root node. This is how you will make complex scenes. It also supports integrated scripting, so you won't need an external editor like Visual Code. You can do all your coding and logic in the engine. Godot has its own in-engine language called GDScript, but you can also use C# if you would like. This is just part one of a multi-part series, so hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you get notified when the rest of the series drops.